Hi everyone, and welcome to day 2 here at ESPC. My name is Jonny Measures. I'm the partner manager for Orchestry, and I'm joined by Derek here from Sympraxis. Derek, tell us a little bit about yourself, about what you do at Sympraxis, and a bit about Sympraxis.
Sure. So I'm Derek Cash-Peterson. I'm a principal architect at Sympraxis Consulting. We are a small sort of boutique Microsoft 365 consulting firm. We've been in business about 15 years. I've been with the organization for, I think, 5. I've been working with SharePoint since 2006. So I have a lot of gray hair.
Part of the furniture.
Exactly. So I have a lot of gray hair from all of the
Snap.
And so Sympraxis, we specialize in Microsoft 365, Azure, custom development, information architecture, intranet build-outs.
Excellent. And I guess, that sort of ties in nicely to what Orchestry does. And tell us a little bit about why Orchestry, why have Sympraxis partnered with Orchestry, and yeah.
So at Sympraxis, we love Orchestry. We love Orchestry. We're very selective about who we partner with and the organizations that we choose to bring to our customers. And part of it really has to do with who are the people that are doing the work at the company that we're partnering with, and what is the product that they're bringing to market. And I think Orchestry specifically for us is a really great combination of those two. It's a great product that does lots of things that we can leverage with our clients to increase governance, increase adoption.
Sure.
But also when we call you, you pick up the phone, or if a client has a problem, you can help take care of that.
Yeah.
And that's really what we love about working with you folks.
No, it's absolutely, yes. And it's great to hear. I mean, feedback like that is great for all departments. And absolutely love that. And tell us a bit about your customers, your portfolio, and what's their kind of, I know we've been hearing today lots about Copilot, AI, Teams, SharePoint, but what's the kind of what trends are you seeing within your partners, and what are they wanting most?
So we really see 2 sort of main use cases. The first is we work with a lot of smaller organizations, maybe under 1,000 folks.
Sure.
And they really need to conquer some of the very basic governance challenges, right? How do we increase consistency? How do we keep users from having to, look at a new site and say, this is way different than everything else that we've done. So we use a lot of the provisioning features with Orchestry. We also have a very strong development shop. So we use both the pre-provisioning APIs and we use the post-provisioning APIs. Yeah. We can do integrations with ServiceNow tickets and, kick off other workflows and things after the provisioning has completed. So we sort of take that and help bring our clients on that journey. Yeah. But also what we're starting to see is them leveraging the reporting a lot more. Yeah. Once the environment's out there, once they're using it, they're using the reporting to like keep an eye on things and make sure things are clean and healthy.
Sure.
And that they can see, oh wow, we've got 100 external guest users out there. Yeah. We don't know who half of them are. Or we can start to clean up and archive some of those old sites and make decisions with actual metrics behind them.
Gotcha. So. No, that's it, yeah. And tell me a little, obviously, as I said earlier, we've had some great keynote speeches yesterday and today. We're still alive, just about. So what are your thoughts around Copilot, AI? I know that's a big question. I know that's a huge question, but what are your thoughts around that?
It's interesting. Copilot, I think, is still in its infancy, right? Yeah. I think it's great to see where the road is going to get us.
Yeah.
Personally, I don't think it's 100% there yet, but it's starting to change business processes. I think, just looking at the agents in SharePoint, I think that's an opportunity for us to start to, leverage content in a way, end users leverage content in a way that they haven't been able to before.
Sure.
And I think that's really good. I think that's a real win. Is it going to change the world? Absolutely, just not today.
Yeah, it's one of those things. I've just heard this morning. It's, is it real? Is it nonsense?
Well, exactly.
Yes, it's both.
Yes.
And it's. I've been blown away with some of the things that Microsoft have been saying
Yeah.
and what's coming. So, yeah, it's. I think it is going to make a difference. I think it's.
Yeah, I mean, I think there's a lot of chance. Like even for us, we're 6 people
Yeah.
doing, creating proposals and doing things like that, like those sort of statements of work and things like that. That's challenging, right? For us to like stop doing development, write a statement of work. I think leveraging Copilot to do that, to help reduce that burden, ease that friction a little bit, and streamline our process. Absolutely, I'm 100% for that.
Yeah. No, I was talking to some of the guys earlier, and it was one of those things. Is it going to make us lazy? I don't think so. I think it's about learning and teaching and becoming more efficient and effective, not just in your business, but in the daily life as well. So I think that'll work. I think it will work.
It's funny. You go on any of the socials and they'll say there's some memes floating around. It's like, is AI going to put me out of a job? No, because in order to do that, clients are going to need to be able to define their requirements, and they can't do that on their own and just type them into ChatGPT or Copilot or Bing or whatever. Yeah. So I think we'll be good.
Yeah, I think so. Well, listen, I mean, that about wraps it up, I think.
All right.
And thank you for that, Derek. I really appreciate that.
Thanks for having me.
And enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.